Hello everyone. African National Congress Secretary General Fikile Mbalula was caught red-handed on X app after confirming that they paid some money to destroy the former President Jacob Zuma's party Umkhonto weSizwe before elections of 29 May 2024. He took it to his X app and tweeted, "We paid for the circus to end on 29 May 2024, but I see the clowns are already bringing down the tent and leaving town before then." And he quickly deleted that tweet. The daughter of the former president, Duduzile Zuma, reposted the screenshot and captioned, "We always knew it. Thank you for confirming it, my friend." People reacted on Twitter after finding out that Mbalula and his party did the unthinkable to the Umkhonto weSizwe party. One replied and said, "Mbalula always makes a flop, ANC must fire him now." Another one said, "Mbalula Fikile is one of the most honest politicians in South," Julius Malema once said. Another one also said, "A wise man," once said, "Ask Mbalula, he doesn't lie," says Fikile with endless own goals. There has been internal squabbles in the Umkhonto weSizwe party recently, where Umkhonto weSizwe members said Khumalo allegedly took money from the governing party. That's why he has a car that is worth 3 million rand and bought 2 houses in Paleto allegedly. The Umkhonto weSizwe party decided to part ways with him. Since then, he's been fighting to remove the former President Jacob Zuma from his political party. He tried it with the IEC, and Independent Electoral Commission responded to him a statement and said, "Listen, Umsholozi is the leader of the Umkhonto weSizwe party and they don't entertain political internal squabbles." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.